Hi friends, welcome to my plant garden. Friends, my name is Gagan Viren. In my previous video, I showed you how we can grow radish plants in the pot. So now in this video, I am going to show you how we can grow the radish plants in the ground. So I transferred my radishes into the ground. This is a main node. And in this video, I'll show you how you can produce seeds like this from the radish plants. And also I'll show you how we can harvest the radish crops. So come on, let's start. Friends, before you watch my video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So come on, let's start. Friends, I have transferred those radish plants now into the ground because actually they need the ground. For that I just transferred them into the soil. Now it's becoming a little bit bigger and bigger. You can see, observe it properly. See here, there's a budding in it. It's coming so good. This is the part 2 video of the same video which I have did last time. You can see this one is the bigger one because I transferred first this one. Today this morning I checked. See here, this leaf was eaten by a snail. Today morning I just removed it and now I've just thrown it. Okay, now this one is the bigger one and I think it is ready to harvest, but it's not so perfect for harvesting because some say that the tuber must come up and then we are going to harvest. So I'm just waiting for that, for the tuber to come and it makes the seed germinate. For seed germination it leaves flowers. First it leaves flowers and then turn like a bean. See, you can see here the flowers. The flowers are so beautiful, small. There are many buddings here and 2 to 3 small beans. They are not so mature. They will mature and then I am going to collect it. You can see the bottom over here. Some beans do not mature. They just dry up and go. Some mature. I think these two are not mature. They may mature. We can't tell. This one is the bigger one. So I think it may give big seed pods. So for that I'm just waiting for it to leave the flowers and seeds. And then I'm going to just harvest them. In the same way I have grown your beetroots too. You can see there are 3 beetroots now. I have just planted this before 2 days, so only 3 have come sprouts. I have put more than 6 to 7 seeds fully around over here and all. Okay, I am just scratching these radish plants. You can see, wait a minute, you can see now there is a radish over here. You can see it light white color, creamish color. That one is a radish plant. It is not properly mature to harvest. When it come up, then I am going to harvest it. So okay, after 7 days, friends, after 7 days there's a big magic. Do you want to see here? Wait, here you can see the the radish is coming up. Wow, it's great. Now it's becoming more mature and mature. Wow, I'm so happy about it. And another magic is waiting for us. Do you want to see? Wait a minute. See here how nicely it is. Wow, it's so good. Another magic I told you, right? See here. One seed pod is maturing. You can see it. Wow. I'm so happy about my radish plants. And even you can see here this one radish is growing so good. I think I am there are just few days for this radish to get harvest, I guess. So let's see what happens. Here there is a small plant. You can see. Just wait a minute. It has come out, so I'm just planting it. Yeah, it's done now. So friends, for this you need to fertilize any chemical fertilizer or organic manure. I am using both organic and chemical fertilizers, such as kitchen waste of organic and urea fertilizer of inorganic, I mean chemical fertilizer. You may just put 2 to 3 beads of urea. After 21 days, you can see this radish is grown up too big and flower pod is also coming. But there's a problem. Do you know what is that problem? Wait, just a minute. See here. Just wait. Here you can see the radish. It's getting little bit decayed. So I think I should harvest this radish today itself. So as per my other seed pods have developed and their seeds are growing well. So I think this seed is not, I don't need of this seed. You can see this is developing and there are many other too. So I am going to harvest this radish. Here too you can see there are it's attached. Here also the seeds are coming. So I am just going to harvest today this my big radish. So I'll show you how I'll harvest it. So friends, wait. Yes, see here. Now you can see how you will harvest this radish. It is matured goodly, so it's coming nice. Wait. Yes. So wait. Yes. Wow. Finally my radish is harvested and now you can see I'm so happy about it. You can see here. Wow. Wait. I'll wash you and then show, otherwise it's looking so dirty. And now I washed it. Wow, it's so white, right? It's not so white, but it's looking so fresh because it's made in our home and it's in good condition now. You can see it's too good. Wow, amazing. Friends, radish is harvested and now I am going to show you how you can become your own pollinator of these plants. So come on, let's start. So friends, what you should do is the pollination is the main step for seed production. It is done by any honeybee or any other insect. So here you can see there is a honeybee. So now I am going to show you how you can become your own pollinator. So first you should go to any 2 to 3 flowers, buddings. Touch one flower, you can see the yellow part that you should touch once. Then move to another flower and then touch it too, like this. And even go to another flower and touch it. You can make a cycle of touching the flowers. So in this way, you should use only your 2 fingers. I've used my 2 fingers for this. Okay, so now after 7 days, now it's after 7 days and you can see we touched 3 flowers and now you can see there are 3 seedings here. In one seed there it is more seeds, I guess. One seed, one there is 4 to 5 and another there is 1 and another there is 1. So like this you can produce the seeds in your home by your radish plants. Friends, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Please. Bye bye. Meet you in next video.